Hi, this is Laura GB, and in this video we're going to have a look at the new gradient legend that's been introduced to Power BI recently. So here we are in our report. We've got a chart, column chart showing the turnover by month, and we want to colour those columns based on the profit margin. So going to click on to the chart, click into formatting, and under data colours I'm going to click on the FX button next to default colour, and this brings up the conditional formatting dialog box and the based colour scale based on a field, and we're going to change that from turnover to look for the measure called profit margin, and that's light blue to dark blue, pretty boring. So let's go with a low profit margin is bad. So let's go and do a custom colour of red, and a high profit margin is good. So let's bring in a custom colour of green and click OK. So there we are. We can see that although February was quite good turnover, the profit margin wasn't quite so good. So if we then on our chart go to the formatting and we turn on the legend, you'll see that we get a legend showing the range of the colours. Okay, it is going from the lowest value to the highest value. So I think our first thing to do is to round that to some sensible numbers. So let's go back in to our data colours and press the FX button, and on minimum change that to a custom, and that's 0.05 for 5%, and the highest value, let's make that custom as well, and let's make that 0.2 for 20%, and click OK. And there you are, we get our 5% to 20%. Now if you want to add a third colour for diverging, okay, let's go back in and do that. So we click it to be diverging, so we have a colour in the middle, and there we can pick that to be a, let's pick a nice bright orange. And it can either calculate the middle value for you or you can enter it, but if I click OK, there we are, we get our 5% to 20% with a middle value of 12.5%. Okay, so that is a gradient legend useful for our conditionally formatted charts. If you haven't already, please press subscribe. Take care now.